Welcome back. Back at the shop here, we got a new one in. We're going to be doing some painting again on this car. So this is the way we got it. Got a lot of primer spots sitting on it. They've gone ahead and done a bit of detail work to it. So this is a 1965 Buick Riviera. Yeah, Riviera. So this is the Patrick Swayze special from Roadhouse. It's got the clamshell headlights on it. 401 nail head, I believe. Maybe a 425. I got to do some research on that, but we're definitely going to do a movie on the motor of this car too. But yeah, so going to paint this the same color it is right now. Just give it a real good warm up of detail on the outside and get it all cleaned up and see what we really have here. Not too much for rust repair on this car at all. It actually looks pretty clean. Definitely being cared for. It's an American car, imported here to Canada about 10-15 years ago. That's the story I've got. And door skins, they are missing because they actually bolt right on the car. I got some over here actually of it, but these are what we're going to be going through as well. So I don't know too many cars here that actually have bolt on and bolt off door skins, but this was one of them. Yes, so 1965 Buick, and we'll give a quick walk around here just to try and show you what we're in for. So stay tuned. Here we go.